Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button guys, like, share, make your comments and also follow the telegram guys. I will put the link to the telegram channel in the comment section. So now let's see what we'll be expecting on our GBPJPY. So let's start with our trend. Our overall trend, you can see that the full bigger picture is an uptrend move. You can see it is very, very clear. We know that market tends to give us three movements. It's either trending to the upside, or it is trending downward, or it is literally ranging. So on this, we are clearly trending to the upside. That is on our GBP JPY. Now, if you take a look at this here, this is our high, and here is our higher low. This is also our higher high, and here is our higher low. So this higher low is still forming, it's still playing out. I do not believe it is over yet, but once it is over, I'll let you guys know. Because once it is over, it will start giving us another movement upward that will form a new higher high. So have that in mind that a new higher high will be formed. But for now, which is our 1 hour time frame, let's see if it will give us some more drop again. That is it. So one more drop is likely to happen before it start preparing to push up. So we would only go ahead and take the buy or and push up if we only find a buy setup. Remember, we would only enter once we get the buy setup. So if there is no buy setup, we would not enter it. But if there's buy setup, immediately we are going to enter it. So GBPJPY, the overall picture, the overall view is still an uptrend move. That is our overall movement. But for now, market is likely to give us some more drop. So for day traders, you should be looking for one more drop. For swing traders, it will be best you wait till you see your buy setup, then you can open for the buy.